Marissa Garcia Alonso is the pharmacist and clinical analyst who demonstrated that masks that are not disinfected or washed frequently can become a source of bacteria. The specialist carried out a very simple but effective experiment and showed the results through her Instagram account so that the population becomes aware of the importance of washing, disinfecting, or disposing of the masks used in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic. The samples were taken from 5 masks, from nothing to very used. To demonstrate this, Garcia Alonso took samples from 5 different face masks, one of his own that was in use, another that he had in his wallet and that was not overly used, a third one that had just been purchased, another one of little used and unwashed fabric, and one more than it had many days of use and it had not been washed or disinfected by the owner. The proliferation of bacteria in the most used masks and surprising in the study that the clinical analyst carried out in a laboratory setting, it can be seen how she cultivates the tissue samples taken from the masks on Petri dishes, where the microorganisms grow once they are stored and left in a dark place. In vivo, it is possible to see the growth of bacteria on the reed plates, each corresponding to a mask. The final result is illuminating, since all the masks gave bacterial results, although in the cases of the unwashed or disinfected ones, the growth of microorganisms is very great. To end, Marissa Garcia Alonso recommends disinfecting the masks in use with a dilution of 70% alcohol and tea tree essence from time to time before replacing them. In the case of cloth masks, the recommendation is to wash them after use at 60 degrees by hand or machine.